To talk to you guys about this haul. This is going to be very sparkly glowy. You can see the reflection of my hands. I'm going to try not to blind you with the full packaging, but I have some Simply Gilded washi here, and I have one package from another shop that I ordered something for my recollections planner that I'm going to be using in the future. This is going to be a package from Green Tea Design Co. And all I ordered were, and this was one of the only places I could actually find something that I thought I could use in my recollections planner. But this is just a personal size clear dashboard, and this is the company Green Tea Design Co. on Etsy. It's a 3.75 by 6.75, and all it is just a dashboard, and it's top loading. I thought that I could get some use out of this. It's really, really cute, and I had a hard time finding these things. So when I found it from her shop, I went with it. Now this one, it has the tip in that you can use as a shopping list or anything like that, but this is the personal wide ring size. I chose the thick on this one because I want it to be able to be used in all of my spreads and not get tattered and torn. So it's a really nice heavy vellum. So that's what I ordered from there. They weren't very much. They were pretty inexpensive, and I was really excited. Now, the question is, which one of these? Let's just go on and go in with this one. Okay, so this is a order from Simply Gilded. What I did is I went in and I placed an order for all of the ones that I wanted for sure, and went ahead and checked out quickly because I was afraid that obviously it would sell out. And then I went back in and picked these up because although they weren't my favorite, I did want them. It's just I didn't know if, you know, the ones I desperately needed would still be there. So let's go ahead and open these up. I think it's so cute. I love her bunny, obviously, and I hate to tear the bunny, but I'm gonna have to tear the bunny to get into the package. And I want to show you everything that came in this. So we have our card here. It just says thanks. It's the one with the pumpkins. I just love this. It says heart on there. It's a really pretty card. I know that you guys like to collect these, but this is my first one. The other washi that I have purchased up to this point have been from the Buy Sell Trade on Facebook. So I'm excited to get this one, and it's a beautiful rose gold. Okay, so these are the ones that I ordered. I ordered the, this is the Christmas plaid is what it's called, but it looks more like the candy cane stripe, if you ask me. I don't see like a plaid. I just see red and like maybe a white / clear stripe, and it is rose gold. It's really pretty. I was excited. I wanted to get all of these. I just was focusing on the others in the other package that you'll see. Okay, and so here we have the silver foiled Halloween or October ombre. I'm not really sure what these are called. You guys know. If you're watching this because you are familiar with Simply Gilded, then you know. You know, I am totally new to Simply Gilded. This was my first ever purchase from Simply Gilded, and so I did already upload a haul where I did get something from Simply Gilded, but so it's technically not my first purchase from Simply Gilded, but it's my first purchase where I purchased nothing but washies in on a pre-sale or a order. Okay, and then this is the light blue and white. It's almost like an argyle. It has like a very, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a really thin line through the pattern, and it looks a lot like an argyle, but it has the gold foil washi bows, and I think it's really cute. And of course she also sent this really cute little bow that I'm sure I will get a lot of use out of next summer when I'm doing some 4th of July spreads and that sort of thing, but it is gold foil and I really love it. So I'm just going to push that to the side and I will bring out the next order. Okay, this is my next order and gosh, I'm so stinking excited, guys, to finally be getting into all of my Simply Gilded stuff. So I hate tearing up the bunny, but you got to do it. You got to do what you got to do, right, guys? Okay, let's see if we can get this open and everything out. Okay, cute little bag. May save that and use it for something. It has the little pink, it says, I'm not sure what that says. It looks like Spanish, but I love that it has the little pink bows all over it with that lacy looking doily background. Might find a use for that. Okay, so the first thing I see here is the freebie that she sent. It's yellow with rose gold. That'll be really pretty for fall or Easter, I think. So I'm going to just put that right there. Really, really cute. I did order these bows. I couldn't not. I'm really into the black and white buffalo plaid this year. Of course, I'm always going to love the red and black. And then she included the green and black, and these are all with the gold foil. I adore these. I think they are so stinking cute, and I can't wait to use them for my Christmas because I'm going to be using these to create tabs with, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But if you've ever watched Andrea from Scribble Prints Co., she uses bows to create tabs. You just take two of the same or different and you put them back to back and kind of sandwich them over the side of a card, and it makes a really adorable separator. Here's the card that came with this. It says warm and cozy. It's so stinking cute. I know that I'll be using this and I'm really excited. I love the little touch of holly right there on the bunny ears. And you know, I can't even remember the name of the bunny. I mean, it's just, that's just me. Okay, so here we go. We have the white with hollow bows. So excited to get some white. I have been looking for some white, but you know, it gets kind of expensive for some of these because people sell on that site and they start asking outrageous prices, and I'm not gonna pay more than retail. So I'm glad that I was able to get my hands on these. I mean, basically I was waiting on the store to open, and as soon as she listed them, I loaded my cart really quick and checked out. So there's the white ones. Okay, and then here, let's see, let me find, yes, okay, here are the black with hollow. Oh gosh, those are so pretty. I've never been the biggest hollow fan, but guys, these are so, so pretty. Okay, then we have the buffalo check with gold bow. Oh my goodness. I love these so much. I do. I love this. I love, love, love this. It is so stinking cute. And then I have the amazingly sought after glitter slash, I don't know what you call it, but it's got more than one finish. These got gone fast. I know that these were unlimited, so you could purchase as many as you wanted. I didn't know that at the time that I was purchasing, or I'd have gotten a second pair because these were going really fast. But I am very fortunate to have already gotten at least one set of these, and I'm sure that that's all that I will need. But I'm very excited to have gotten a confetti, maybe is what it's called. I don't know, guys. I don't know these things. I'm not an expert on all things Simply Gilded, but I will say that I am very much enjoying all of the things that I have been purchasing up to this point. I think that they are all so very cute, and I love all of them. I love the bows, I love the cards, but mostly I love the stinking washi because it is just so stinking cute, and I absolutely love the cards. I can see where they will be cute little, if I could laminate these, they would make really cute little dashboards or page pocket, maybe even dividers. So that's my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching. I am going to be putting this up as soon as possible. I'm going out of town, and as soon as I get back from out of town, I'm going to put this up. I don't know really what's going on. They're saying there's going to be a hurricane coming, and that's kind of scary. So we're just going to have to watch the path of that. But I'm going to be further north, back in Birmingham for some important stuff. And I hope, guys, that you will enjoy seeing what I ordered once I get back. And yeah, So that's when I'm going to put this up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. It's very, very helpful to me. And if you're new, by all means, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. I'm going to go now. Have a great, wonderful day and rest of your week. Bye.